Ketchup is a popular condiment that many people enjoy with their favorite foods. However, eating ketchup every day may not be the best choice for your health. Here are some of the potential effects of eating ketchup every day. You may consume too much sugar and sodium. Ketchup contains about 4 grams of sugar and 190 milligrams of sodium per tablespoon. This may not seem like a lot, but if you eat several tablespoons of ketchup every day, you may exceed the recommended daily intake of these nutrients. Excess sugar and sodium can increase your risk of obesity, diabetes, high blood pressure, and heart disease. You may miss out on other nutrients. Ketchup is low in calories, fat, protein, and fiber. It also does not provide many vitamins or minerals, except for some lycopene, a plant compound that may have some health benefits. However, lycopene alone is not enough to meet your nutritional needs. You may experience digestive problems. Ketchup is acidic and spicy, which may cause heartburn, acid reflux, or stomach upset in some people, especially if they eat too much of it or have a sensitive stomach. Therefore, it may be wise to limit your intake of ketchup and use it sparingly as a condiment rather than a main ingredient.